Good morning, everybody. First of all, let's say thank to God who has given guidance, happiness, healthy, and mercy so we can attend and participate in this special event without any obstacles. My name is Februanto Sringoringo from class Forest Resources Conservation 7. Allow me to present the result of the research ethnology by Batak Toba tribal in Bahalgaja village, Simalungun Regency, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Introduction. Indonesia has a lot of forests. In the forest, there are interrelationship between animals and their environment. Since the time of our ancestors, a high level of biodiversity, a wide variety of endemic flora fauna, and that are unique to the forest can be found. Not only Indonesia, several countries in the world also use animals to support their lives. One example, in Africa in the Mpem Enjim and the Deng National Park areas also as the Smutsida gigatei pangolin for traditional medicine. Bahalgaja village is one of the villages in Simalungun Regency with the majority of Batak tribe. Community work is farming. Community life is very dependent on nature. The Batak community is also known for its thick custom and highly affluent local socio-cultural values. The use of animals in community social culture activities important for the Batak tribe group. Before this research is important to do to find out what types of animals are used by the local community. This study aims to determine the use of community animals both for food, traditional ceremonies, and for other activities related to the lives of Batak the community. Second, material and method. The research was conducted from February to July in Bahalgaja village, Damanik district, Simalungun Regency, with the selection of the research location in Bahalgaja Dolok hamlet. The research method used is novel sampling by means of interviews with key informants in the community. The data includes the types of animals used and the use of animals. The data obtained from the interviews were made in tabulation and then discussed descriptively. In the discussion or research from mammal 8 species, for aphis 3 species, and amphibia 4 species, and mollusks 2 species, and the N for fishes. The large class used by the consumption is the type of mammal, which consists of 8 species. The use varies from ritual consumption and treatment. Most lesion is for consumption needs 87.5%, while for medical use 37.5%, and utilization for ritual is 25%, while the smallest class utilized by the community in the types of mollusks, which consists of 2 species. Its use is for medicine. Use of animals for socioculture. The custom of the Batak Toba tribe are hereditary tradition from their ancestors. The customs are still strongly attached to the community, especially the elderly and the Sai custom. Ritual are a way to respect the custom of the Batak Toba tribe in Bahalgaja village, starting from wedding, customary law to weddings. Animal use includes dog, or Chinese Lupus familiaris, and pigs, or Sus scrofa, buffalo, or bubalis, chicken, Gallus. For Merex and the dead in the soul, use the pig and buffalos. Meanwhile, to the welcome to birth of animals commonly use the are chickens. Utilization of animal for consumption. Based the result of intervention in the field, there are 14 animals that are used for consumption by Batak Toba tribe in Balgaja village. For the Batak tribe in Balgaja village, there is to bat on eating animals or consuming animals, only poisonous animals and that cannot be eaten. Types of animals for consumption include wildebeest, Sus scrofa, cipet, Paradoxurus hermaphrodites, cats, Felis catus, dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, buffalo, bubalis, Harimoka squirrel. Utilization of animals for medicine. 1. Dog. Utilization typhus, dengue, fever, use producer soap. 2. Field mouse. Utilization asthma, use producer Fred. 3. Field frog. Utilization baby teeth booster, use producer Fred. 4. Field snake. Utilization typhus, use producer. For conclusion, animals that have high economic value or high selling value include dogs, pigs, buffalo, and chicken. There are 20 animals used by the Batak Toba tribe in Balgaja village, include 14 animals for consumption, 8 types of animals for treatment, and 4 types of animals for ritual. The animals used by Batak Toba tribe in Balgaja village found 6 classes, namely mammals, reptiles, apes, mollusks, fishes, and amphibians. Okay, this is the result of my presentation. If there are any scores coming, I beg you to say thank you. Thank you very much.